channel.
Yeah.
And today I'm gonna show you 5 things you can use your scarf for. So I had this little long scarf. About this size. Make sure it's long. It's very, very easy. So first, it's like the beach style. I'm able to dress my kid. So just gonna get it and slide it out. Just turn it up to your left and like hold it up here. And just put it here. It's like for the and after just hold it and yeah. And just get it enough. And yeah. Lower it. Now we're careful. Do this thing. And then we can another one. So you are going to breathe now. Now there's enough. We're gonna side it. Here's the hardest part. Especially long. Like right now. After it. No. Yeah, but like in the beach. Can't even use it as scissors. And they had it. And now, in the next tile, wow, it's like I don't know what this style is called, but it is so easy to do. And now, punta ka muna doon. And now for the third one, it's pretty easy. So you know, tie a knot on the get two ends and tie a knot. Not too much. Other knot again. Now, these and square it and twist it. Do it again. And you have fingers into snowy. So now, for the another step, we need to do for the fourth one. This is the second one. For the third one, we need this one again, flattened out. And this is for the hair accessory. And if you have some headbands, just stay up like that because it's like a product, it's gonna blow out later. That, and just fold it again. Fold it too. Oh my gosh. now just gonna put it up on your head. That seems some music. Gonna be a headband and not. My gosh, I look like a. And Natasha. Not like my old man. Natasha like cousins cover. Get enough air. Yeah. She'll stick under and now I'm just gonna make a ribbon. Oh my gosh. I hate this style. And a bit. Oh my gosh. And make this be like that. And now pull up your hair to the side. To the side of it. And now what you're gonna do is just remove it from your hair. As you can see, all there's a hole with it. You didn't see it. See this little hole? You need to wear it. There we go. There we go. After, you just get it right as you. Looks like you're wearing a zebra mask. Flat this out. And almost happened. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So what you're gonna do is just tuck it in. And now you're gonna just everything up. And in it. Like that. Oh my gosh. I wasn't touching anymore. So now I have it. They're all red. Sorry for that. Or that's not. It was so necessary. Especially when it happened to me on holiday. Let's get up. And get on the tent. And now, so now what you want to do for the fifth, the last one. Oh my gosh, And now what you're gonna do is, I think we need some music. It's very boring. And now what you're gonna do is so this is bloopers. Now guys, what you're gonna do is that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what will happen. After you have to do it again. That. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Now then, please. Yes. And my breath. And double size it. Do you have it? Yeah. Oh my god. I am alive.